Have you noticed that most creators are paying for multiple AI subscriptions every month while Google quietly offers one of the most powerful AI platforms completely free? Today we are diving into Google AI Studio, a tool packed with advanced Gemini models, massive context windows, app building capabilities, video generation, image editing, and much more. Yet surprisingly, most users either ignore it or never explore what it's truly capable of. By the end of this video, you'll know how to build AI powered applications without coding, generate videos and images with Google's latest models, analyze huge amounts of data in seconds, use AI Studio like a professional creator or developer, and the best part, you don't need any programming experience. Let's jump in. The first step is simple. Open your browser and visit AI Studio. At the moment, Google AI Studio works entirely in the browser, which means there's no mobile app yet. But the web experience is clean, responsive, and surprisingly powerful. As soon as you log in, you'll notice a redesigned dashboard acting as your command center. You'll find recent projects, model documentation, API settings, usage statistics, and account preferences all in one place. On the left side, you'll see your workspace. This is where everything happens. You can build applications, test prompts, create images, generate videos, and experiment with different AI models. Now let's talk about the real stars of AI Studio, the Gemini models. Currently, you'll mostly work with Gemini 3.1 Flash and Gemini 3.1 Pro. Flash is designed for speed. It's perfect for brainstorming ideas, drafting content, quick coding experiments, and testing prompts. Responses arrive almost instantly. Gemini Pro, on the other hand, is designed for serious work, complex analysis, long form writing, research, advanced coding, and multi step reasoning. Here's a simple strategy: start your project using Flash, experiment quickly, then switch to Pro when you're ready to polish and finalize your work. One feature I absolutely love is context preservation. You can switch between models without losing the conversation. No need to start over. One feature that changes everything is the 1 million token context window. That may sound technical, but here's what it means. You can upload entire books, large research papers, massive documentation folders, thousands of lines of code, months of chat history, even huge spreadsheets. And Gemini can remember all of it. Imagine reviewing an entire software project in minutes or analyzing hundreds of customer reviews simultaneously. That's where AI Studio becomes much more than just another chatbot. It's essentially an AI workspace dot. In this example, I'm showing how audio can convert with speaker diarization using Gemini 3.5 with speaker diarization. Now comes my favorite feature, vibe coding. Instead of writing code manually, you simply describe what you want. For example, create a YouTube content idea generator. The AI immediately starts building an actual application. It creates the interface, generates the backend logic, adds interactive components, and even prepares deployment options. Let's say you're a YouTube creator. You can ask AI Studio to build a tool that analyzes trends, suggests titles, creates thumbnail concepts, estimates potential views, and exports everything into a CSV file. Need modifications? Simply click on an element, type your changes, and the AI updates the app automatically. No coding, no debugging, no frameworks, just natural language. You can see choose desired template for mobile apps, front end like geometry, elegant, dark, etc. AI Studio isn't designed only for developers. In fact, content creators may find it to be
It
one of the
went
most
boing!
exciting AI platforms available
Did
today.
you see that bouncy
Google's
leaf?
latest VO models open up completely new
It went
possibilities for
boing!
video production. Instead of
Did you
spending
see that
hours
bouncy
searching for
leaf?
stock footage or learning complicated animation
It went
software,
boing!
you can simply describe a scene
Did
in
you
natural
see that
language.
bouncy leaf?
For example, you could type a cinematic drone
It
shot
went
flying over
boing!
snow covered mountains during sunrise with soft golden light illuminating the valleys below. Within moments, AI Studio
It
can
went
generate a
boing!
realistic video sequence based on your
Did
description.
you see that
What's even
bouncy
more impressive
leaf?
is the ability to use reference images.
It
You can
went
upload up to
boing!
3 images to guide the video generation process, helping maintain visual consistency throughout the clip. This is particularly useful for storytellers, filmmakers, advertisers, and social media creators who want a cohesive visual style. Another exciting feature is frame interpolation. By providing a first frame and a last frame, the AI can intelligently generate the movement between those two images, creating smooth cinematic transitions that previously required professional editing software. For image generation, Google's Nano Banana models are equally impressive. These models go beyond simply generating pictures. They act almost like a professional digital artist sitting beside you. Need a business portrait? Want product images for an online store? Creating thumbnails for YouTube? Designing Instagram posts? Or producing concept art for a game? Nano Banana can handle all of these tasks. The editing capabilities are particularly powerful. Instead of opening Photoshop and spending hours adjusting layers, masks, and lighting, you simply tell the AI what changes you want. For example, replace the office background with a luxury hotel lobby. Change daytime lighting into warm sunset lighting. Make the subject appear more professional while maintaining facial consistency. The model understands these instructions remarkably well and performs targeted edits while preserving important details. Google has also significantly improved its text to speech capabilities. The newer Gemini speech models produce voices that sound much more natural compared to
Good
traditional robotic
morning.
narrators.
It's 68
This
degrees
means
and
creators
sunny.
can now build
Traffic
an
is a
entire
bit heavy
content
today,
pipeline
so
within a single
Halt,
platform.
traveller.
Imagine this workflow.
The
First,
northern pass
use
is
Gemini to
sealed
research a topic.
by
Then ask it to write a complete YouTube script. Generate custom images with Nano Banana. Create cinematic B-roll clips using VO. Produce a realistic voiceover using Gemini speech models. Finally, combine everything into a polished video ready for publishing. For YouTubers, marketers, educators, and small businesses, this could dramatically reduce production time. What previously required multiple subscriptions, video editors, voice artists, and design tools can now be accomplished within a single AI powered workspace. And perhaps the most exciting part is that these capabilities are evolving rapidly. Every few months, Google introduces new features, improved models, and more creative options, making AI Studio feel less like a chatbot and more like a complete digital production studio. There are several features almost nobody talks about. One of them is screen sharing. Gemini can analyze websites, review interfaces, provide UI suggestions, and even inspect your code in real time. File uploads have also improved dramatically. You can upload documents, PDFs, spreadsheets, entire folders, and process them together. Another useful feature is voice input. Instead of typing prompts, simply speak naturally. It's incredibly helpful during brainstorming sessions or when explaining complex ideas. Turning AI into income. Now let's discuss something everyone wants to know. How can this make money? Businesses are already paying thousands of dollars for AI solutions. With AI Studio, you can build custom tools for clients, automate reports, create content packages, generate social media campaigns, build research assistants, and streamline repetitive tasks. Imagine uploading a 50-page report. Within minutes, Gemini transforms it into blog posts, email sequences, video scripts, social content, and presentation outlines. Hours of manual work become minutes for freelancers, agencies, creators, and entrepreneurs. This opens an entirely new set of opportunities. Google AI Studio isn't just another AI chatbot, it's a complete creative and development platform. Whether you are a content creator, a business owner, a marketer, or simply curious about AI, there's never been a better time to start exploring these tools. So here's my challenge for you. Open AI Studio today. Build one small project, experiment, learn, and see what's possible. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what you'd like me to explore next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.